Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today I want to be talking to you about not Pepe Unchained until the end of the video. But if you do want to check this out quickly, you can. The link is in the description. But what I want to talk to you about today, guys, is actually Dog with Hat and BONK, right? Currently, the amount of market value that they have lost in the last couple of weeks here has been unbelievable. They are now down 49th and 50th on the leaderboard here in terms of cryptocurrency, falling below coins like Filecoin, Crow, Atom. They were really climbing up in the $2 billion sort of range here and sort of cementing their memeability here on the crypto market. And we have just seen them cascade down recently. And the real question is, and the real reason why I'm doing this today, guys, this video, is because I want to show you some buying levels for this asset, or for these assets, because if you buy this asset at this level in the alt season that begins towards the end of October, usually after the halving for Bitcoin, you're going to make really big gains on these meme coins, okay? Stupidly big gains. Talking of big gains, guys, we will be going through Pepe Unchained like we nearly did at the start of the video. And this is one that I'm invested in and super bullish on. It's basically Pepe's own blockchain. It's a project that we found here. And yeah, I will be going through that very shortly. But yeah, super bullish on that. Definitely not one you want to miss. But Dog with Hat and BONK, okay? These are the subjects of the video right now. And as you can see, they're merely $7 million in market cap apart from each other, right? $7 million. I mean, when you're dealing with meme coins that are in the $1 billion range, $7 million is actually nothing. Okay, so these two are just kind of fighting it for fighting the spot right now for 49th and 50th in terms of the leaderboard on CMC. And you can see what has happened over a 7-day period here for Wif. 6.77% to the downside, and BONK's actually soaring up for a 10%. We did see BONK flip Wif earlier on this week, but now it has dropped back down. So it is a constant fight here. As I said, $7 million in it right now. So pretty crazy stuff over there from the Wif and BONK side. Just wanted to update you guys on that. And I do just want to go into very quickly the Wif chart, okay? Just jumping over to the Wif chart. I'm not going to bore you guys too much. I'm a TA guy. I love my technical analysis, but apologies if you don't. So I'm just going to be showing you some potential buying areas you could be looking at for a DCA strategy for Wif here. As you can see, falling wedge that we've got coming through, and we are actually in a giant bull flag for this asset. That is a bullish chart pattern, guys, on the basis that we actually break this area. So we can't really be longing for a breakout scenario until we clear around $3.14. But what I am looking for here, as I said a minute ago, is DCA levels. Right now, these are the key market structure points from previous bullish market structure here. These usually hold quite a lot of support, guys, and this is why we are seeing ourselves essentially test this multiple times to the downside here, and we are continuously finding support. Now, right now, it does kind of look like we're going to break this support because of the downside that we're having for Wif, and if Bitcoin takes another leg down, then obviously Wif will get a big swift punch in the face as well. But the next level we can be eyeing up here is this dollar, guys. If we can buy at this level and hold it till all-time highs, we're going to be making, it's going to be a clean 4.7x, 4.665x on our investment there. That is huge, guys. That's absolutely huge. 365%. And if you think about hedge funds, guys, they aim to make 7 to 8% a year. 365% is unbelievable. So that is going to be the first DCA level. I mean, I've DCA'd in around this area as well because obviously it's a market structure. It's super bullish. In terms of a meme, and it's just very, it's a very safe investment play here from a spot perspective here. So yeah, I'm going to be DCAing in at this level here if we do dump down any further, all right? Moving on to BONK, guys, and we can look at some quick levels on BONK quickly. Just bring that up. BONK, USDT, love to see it, love to see it. Jumping off to Bybit quickly, guys. And if you are looking for an exchange to trade on, you can jump to the link in the description, guys. We have plenty in there for you guys to take advantage of in terms of bonuses and stuff like that. Now, BONK is actually behaving in sort of a different stance to Wif right now, because as you can see, we are seeing quite a significant amount of progression, actually. You can see this trend line, the support that we are forming on this is pretty strong, pretty nice, but we can actually expect a bit more downside if we lose this trend line, because you can see it falls back in line with this 200 EMA here. Now, that will mean that a level of resistance is potentially going to form here, and that will push the chart down, guys. So this is going to be an interesting point to really be looking out for here in the future here for BONK. And the DCA levels that we can be plotting in on the chart quickly is super simple here, and it just looks pretty much something like this, guys. We've got a DCA level there, DCA level there. So we're basically going to be buying these lows essentially, so when it explodes again, we're going to be making countless amounts of cash, okay? And the cash that I'm referring to all-time high for BONK, is going to be around a 3.45x on our investment there. So those are just a couple of DCA levels for you guys to have a look at for BONK there. Now, moving on to Pepe Unchained, guys. This is the project that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Super bullish on this. I've jumped into this pre-sale. You can actually jump into this pre-sale using Ethereum, USDT, or your card, or even BNB, believe it or not. You just simply connect your wallet to the site, and it'll give you all the options there. Now, this pre-sale, they have raised $3.3 million already. It is a super bullish project, guys. I've not really come across something like this that I'm so confident about in such a long time. It's called Pepe Unchained Layer 2. It's basically a Layer 2 blockchain that has been built on Ethereum. Layer 2 protocol that's been built on Ethereum blockchain. And essentially, it instantly bridges Ethereum and Pepe chain, basically cutting out all of Ethereum fees. Also, yeah, as I said, lower transaction fees and higher volume capacity here. It's 100 times faster than Ethereum, guys. It's ridiculous. And they're also building their own dedicated, I think it might even be already built, their own dedicated blockchain explorer. So, you know, like Ethereum has Etherscan and Solana has SolScan. And yeah, so Pepe is going to have its own one of them, and it's basically going to be able to host Memecoin launches on its own blockchain. Super bullish on this, guys. I think this is seriously underpriced, and they've absolutely nailed it here from a brand identity perspective. It looks super good. They're featured in some pretty big brands. They've had their token audits done. Everything looks good there. And yeah, they're just basically getting geared up, ready for a really big, successful launch here. So yeah, super bullish on this, guys. If you want to go check it out, links are in the description. Go and do that. And you basically you can get involved with this just jumping into the pre-sale, and you'll basically make a stupid amount of gains, right? But yeah, that is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section about Wif, about BONK, about Pepe Unchained as well. And I'll be reading all your comments. If you could you just drop a little like on the video? That will help us out. And if you never want to miss our uploads, guys, make sure you hit the notification bell. And you're never going to. You will be notified when we upload. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much again. Peace out. And I'll see you in the next one.